Friends, in this video I guide you how to install WordPress in cPanel. These are the following steps and it is very easy to install the WordPress in the cPanel. Simply log in into your cPanel. So here is the cPanel and then you can simply go to the file manager to create any folder like I create WordPress or okay, in this folder you can upload the WordPress files you can download from wordpress.org. You can see this. I can download from this link. You can click on download, so they start downloading. I already downloaded, so that's why I cancel this video, cancel this file. So you can simply upload the zip file on that folder. So here is the zip file, then simply extract the folder. You can say this all the files are extracted, but I need on the root folder, so that's why I move to the root folder of WordPress. So all the files are list down on the WordPress folder. So when I open this link, like this is my domain name and this is my folder name, which is where the files are located. So when I enter this, they show the setup of the WordPress. So you can select any of the language which you want to install WordPress. I prefer to use English, so I click on continue. You can say this, I can connect the database, so they show me the error. So then you can go to the cPanel again and click on the MySQL databases. So you can say this, I already opened that tab, so you can add the name which you want to be the database name. Like I add the WordPress 9 create database, copy this and let's go. Enter the database name, then create the user, scroll down and you can see add a new user. So I add WordPress 9 and generate password, copy this, use and create user. So the user will be created and I add the password here and the username, copy and add here. So all the requirements are completed, then I can submit this, but it can't be select this because I can't given the access to that user. So go back to the MySQL databases and add the permission to that user which you created. Like I created the WordPress 9 database user and the WordPress 9 database. So I connect the user to that database and add the permission of all privileges like create, delete, each and everything given the access for that user. So make changes. Now you can see I refresh the page. Now the WordPress will be installed on your server. Now the most important thing is you can enter the title name of your site, like I test WordPress and the username is test, the password is test 123, confirm and enter test at the gmail. This is the main point of the WordPress. If you want to no index the file, then you can check this. If you want to index the domain, then uncheck it. I want no index, so install WordPress. Now your WordPress will be installed on your domain. I open this and test 123 and login. Here is the admin panel of the WordPress of your domain, and by default it activated the 2019 theme of WordPress. So it's loading the main page of the WordPress. Now the domain is ready. Okay, so now it's up to you. You can install the theme and each and everything. On my next video I can explain how to add the WordPress in cPanel with cPanel software. So hopefully it's very helpful for you. Thank you so much.